10 things you have to do after uploading a video to YouTube. You shouldn't sit idle after uploading a YouTube video, especially if you have very little subscribers. Here's what you need to do. 1. Write detailed and comprehensive metadata. Writing a comprehensive and clear description of the video is critical to the success of the video. 2. Adding high traffic long tail keywords is also very important. You can use UBERSUGGEST, vidIQ, TubeBuddy, or the Google Keyword Planner for finding good results and amazing keywords to rank in Google and finding good views and amazing results. 3. Upload eye-catching high-resolution thumbnails. You can use canva.com to create free high-resolution YouTube thumbnails. 4. Write the subtitle for the video. Several users have reported that the YouTube subtitles are being indexed by Google. The findings seem to be correct, and it could definitely improve your user experience and overall viewers. 5. Add annotation and cards. Annotations allow you to bring interactivity to your videos. They can be used for creating a call to action buttons like click to subscribe, watch previous episode, and etc. 6. Set as featured videos on your channel. If you haven't made any channel trailers, then consider adding the newly uploaded videos as your channel trailers. 7. Add the video to relevant playlist. 8. Share them on your social media. Social media plays a major role in driving traffic to your content. Most of the channels and sites have dedicated pages in social media for their brands, so take advantage of that. 9. Embed the video in websites. 10. Engage with your audience. Once uploaded, don't just sit back and relax. You should interact with your audience in the comment section. 11. Provide help to the users who are in need of help. 12. Like and favorite your video the next day. You might think, what's the point of that? Your activities appear in your subscribers feed, i.e., when you upload the video, it appears in your subscribers feed. So that sounds good for you. At the end, subscribe to our channel for more videos like that. Don't forget the thumbs up.